Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to block website in Chrome browser. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking this video. First you need to do is go to Google Chrome in your computer, open it. Then after you can see there is a three vertical dots in top right corner. Just tap on it and go to a little bit down under the extension. There's option called Visit Chrome Web Store. Tap on it. Now you are in Chrome Web Store. In here you can search for any extension you like. I am going to search for block site and hit enter. This is the option I choose for this one. Tap on it, and I already installed it on my Chrome browser. In your case you will see this message called add to Chrome kind of message. You need to tap on it and it will be shows some warning message, and you need to tap on again add to extension. Then after you will see this kind of message, remove from Chrome. Now the extension is successfully installed in your computer. Now we see how we can block the site using this extension. You need to open new tab, and I'm going to search for something called game, and then I'm going to, you can choose any website for this. I'm selecting this one for the block. Okay, then after you go to this site, assume you need to block this site. What you have to do is, you can see extension icon in here in the Chrome browser. Tap on it and you can see the latest installed extension. In our case this is the extension we need to use for this one. Tap on it and it will ask block this site. You need to tap on it. Now this site is blocked from your Chrome browser. To see the blocked uh, sites using this extension, what you have to do is just tap on this setting icon here. It will go you to your user preferences. Okay, now you can see the block list. Currently I only blocked this one only, and if you don't need to block this site, you just need to delete this one. Now you don't have block site. So yeah, this is how you can block the website in your Chrome browser. I hope this video helpful for you, and yeah, see you soon in new video.